Achievers section. 46th question. Read the given statements carefully and state T for true and F for false. First statement, the least number which when divided by 26, 56 and 104 leaves the remainder 1 in each case is 729. Second statement, the least value of x when 57 into 897 is exactly divisible by 3 is 7. Third one, number of pairs of twin prime numbers between 10 and 30 is 2. First, the least number which when divided by 26, 56 and 104 leaves the remainder 1 in each case is 729. Let's take the LCM of these three numbers. LCM is equal to 26, 56, 104. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 2 twos are 4, 2 eights are 16, 2 fives are 10, 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8, 2 twos are 4, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6, 13 ones are 13, 13 ones are 13. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 13 into 7 is equal to 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8, 8 into 13 into 7 is 91. This is equal to 728. So statement 1 is false. The least value of x when 57 is exactly divisible by 3 is 7. Second statement, sum of digits is equal to 5 plus 7 plus x plus 8 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 8 20, 20 plus 9 29, 29 plus 7 is 36, 36 plus x. So least value of x must be 0. So 36 plus 0 is equal to 36. When divided, 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. Second statement is also false. Let's check third statement. Twin prime numbers between 10 and 30 are 11 and 13, 17 and 19. So 1, 2. Third statement is true. So option A, false, false, true is the right answer, children. 47th question. Uncle Tom spends 1/5 of his household expenses on groceries and 1/3 of it on utilities. The rest of his household expenses is spent on pet grooming. So statement A, if each pet uses 1/15 of his household expenses, then how many pets does Uncle Tom have? Statement B, if he spends 2100 rupees on pet grooming, then how much is household expenses? Let the household expenses spent on pet grooming is equal to X. According to question, we have 1 by 5 plus 1 by 3 plus X is equal to 1. Let's take LCM. 15. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 5s are 15 plus x equal to 1. X equal to 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 by 15. 1 minus 8 by 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 minus 8 is equal to 7. Denominator 15. So we got 7 by 15. X. Let's find out number of pets. Number of pets is equal to 7 by 15 divided by 1 by 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 ones are 15. So 7. Number of pets is equal to 7. So we found how many pets does Uncle Tom have? He has seven pets. If he spends 2,100 on pet grooming, then how much is household expenses? Let the total expenses be rupees X. Then 7 by 15 of X is equal to 2,100. X is equal to 2,100 into 15 by 7. 7 ones are 7 threes are 7 zeros are 0. 7 zeros are 0. 300 into 15 is equal to 4,500 rupees. So option B is the right answer, children. 48th question. Which of the following statements is false? Statement A. The number of right angles through which the hour hand of a clock turned when it goes from 2 to 8 is 2. Statement B. If you start facing east and make 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise, then you will face north. C. When the sum of measures of two angles is right angle, then each one of them is an acute angle. D. None of this. For suppose this is a clock and hour's hand is on 2, through which the hour hand of a clock turn when it goes from 2 to 8, then hour hand goes here 2 to 8. So it is making two so it is making two right angles. This is 90. This is 90. So statement A is true. Now B. If you start facing east, east, west, north, south. If you start facing east and make 2 1 by 2 of a revolution clockwise, then you will be facing north. This one. One, two, and from east, half. So facing towards west. So this is false. Option B is the right answer, children. 49th question. Read the given statements carefully and select the correct option. Statement 1. If three friends share the profit of rupees 15,000 in the ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5, then their ratios are rupees 3,000, rupees 4,500 and rupees 7,500 respectively. Let the shares of three friends are 2x, 3x and 5x respectively. According to question, we have 2x plus 3x plus 5x is equal to 15,000. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10x is equal to 15,000. X is equal to 15,000 divided by 10. So 10 gets cancelled. X is equal to 1500. So X is equal to rupees 1500. Let's find out the shares. Share of first friend is equal to 2 into 1500 is equal to 3000 rupees. Share of second friend is equal to 3 into 1500, 4500 rupees. Share of third friend is equal to 5 into 1500, 7500 rupees. So statement 1 is true. Statement 2, if 8, 24, x, 36 are in proportion, then the value of x is 15. So 8, 24, x, 36 are in proportion. 8 into 36 is equal to 24 into x. X is equal to 8 into 36 divided by 24. 8 ones are 8, 8 threes are 24, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So x is equal to 12. Statement 2 is false. So option C, statement 1 is true but statement 2 is false is the right answer, children. Question number 50. Find the algebraic expressions for each of the following and select the correct option. First statement, Monica is X years old. Write her grandfather's age. If he is 8 times of what Monica will be 3 years from now. Second statement, if the length of the floor of a rectangular hall is 4 more than its breadth b, then find the perimeter of the floor of the hall in the terms of b. First statement, age of Monica is equal to X years. So age of Monica after 3 years is equal to X plus 3 years. Age of her grandfather is equal to 8 times of Monica's age after 3 years. So 8 into X plus 3. This could be written as 8 into X, 8X plus 8 threes are 24 years. Second statement, let's assume length is L and breadth is given as B. So length of a rectangular L is equal to 4 more than its breadth, B plus 4. Breadth is equal to B. Let's assume perimeter is B. Perimeter of the floor of the hall in the terms of B. So P is equal to 2 into L is nothing but B plus 4. B is nothing but B. So 2 into B is 2B. 2 into 4 is 8. 2 into B is 2B. So 2B plus 2B is equal to 4B plus 8 units. So we got statement 1 as 8x plus 24 and statement B as 4B plus 8. So option C is the right answer, children. Here ends our previous year exam paper explanations. So please like, share and subscribe my channel and keep following for more updates, more videos. Right children? Bye. Take care. Bye children.